This homemade method takes advantage of the beneficial properties of eucalyptus and turmeric to promote the robust growth of hair without resorting to expensive chemical products. To begin, we will select a bunch of eucalyptus leaves and place it in a suitable container. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate and proceed to mix with a spoon to ensure a homogeneous distribution of the ingredients. It is crucial that these components are fully integrated during this initial phase. Then, we place the eucalyptus leaves on a napkin or a piece of cotton and dry them with soft touches to ensure proper preparation. Then, we will take the turmeric and cut it into small pieces. We will add these pieces along with the eucalyptus leaves to a pot. It is important to separate the branches from the turmeric and use only the leaves for this procedure. Next, we will pour water into the pot with the ingredients and let it boil in order to extract all the essential nutrients. During this process, it is advisable to stir occasionally to ensure an effective infusion of the active compounds. Once the extraction is completed, we will strain the resulting liquid into a clean glass container. This liquid will be applied directly on the scalp and hair, ensuring a uniform distribution by massaging gently with the fingertips. This home treatment will not only strengthen the hair, but also promote healthy growth and reduce the loss of it.